I'm Deepika Krishnan from first year BA English, Sacred Heart College, Devra, Kochi. Today, I would like to discuss with you about influencing people. As we know that we live in a society and being in a society, influences will definitely have a greater role to play with our day-to-day life. So, the ability to form a mutually respectful relationship with others and to succeed in getting our ideas heard by others is a vital element for being a good influencer. So, having influences will enable us to gain support and commitment from others, which will help us to increase our potential towards achieving our goals. So, influencing people will help us to build a communication skill. It also improves our ability to engage the interest and cooperation of other people so as to develop a reliable reputation. As many of us may know that effective influences are convincing and moreover trustworthy. And both these qualities require a common element called self-management. And in order to persuade others to accept our point of view, it is very much necessary for us to present our ideas in a crystal clear manner so that our ideas matches with the needs of people. Over 2300 years ago, a Greek philosopher called Aristotle has summarized the abilities or the skills required for a person to become a good influencer in his book on rhetoric. In that book, he defines persuasion as the ability to convince other people to adopt or accept a point of view. In that book, he says that a good influencer is a person who speaks fluently, logically, and moreover confidently. He also says that a good influencer will be able to inspire and motivate other people by appealing to their hidden interests. So, dear friends, many of us may be thought to become a good influencer at one point or the other point of time in their life. So, how we can become a good influencer? It is very simple. By simple three technique, to a great extent, we can become a good influencer. The first tip or technique is that by winning the hearts and minds of people. In order to win the hearts and minds of people, first we have to do is to respect their aspires, inspirations and concerns. For this, what we have to do is very much simple. We have to match our ideas with the interest of the other people. And the second simple tip to become a good influencer is by controlling our own emotions. A good influencer should always be able to control his or her emotions. For example, you feel very much nervous before a meeting. What you have to do? It's very simple. Just recall a past situation where you went for a meeting and you presented absolutely well. And imagine that you are doing that same good presentation in this meeting. So within second you can change your negative mental attitude into a positive things. This is how to control your emotions. And the third main and most important tip to become a good influencer is by building collaborations. If you look at any of the great or effective influencers, you can see that all of them had tried to cultivate collaborations with people and to work together for forming a better relationships with each other. So the most important thing to be a good influencer or to influence someone is only by building collaborations. So apart from these three simple techniques, the major thing you have to keep in mind before influencing a person or becoming an influencer is that influence is not something forcing a person to accept your point of view. If you do like that, it is called something resentment. But actually, what influence is achieving support from the other person and doing a thing mutually or going mutually in order to achieve a desirable goal. So, before making a person to accept all your point of view, just seek their opinion regarding a specific content or a specific thing. Friends, being in a society, try to influence each other for a good cause. Hope that all of you enjoy this video. Thank you.